Unboxing of the OnePlus 10 Pro 5G. As you can see, here's the box. Code developed with Hasselblad, as you can see. Hasselblad, my bad, as you can see. So this phone has been out in China for a while, and the United States, the USA, finally got it. So I ordered it online, came in the other day. So I have it, in-house, and I'm gonna unbox it right now. Also ordered the case. I like these cases by OnePlus, these Kevlar or carbon fiber cases. So we'll take a look at that as well. So yeah. So you can see brand new in the box. Here's the seal. What does that say? It says do not accept, the seal is broken. And it is not broken yet anyway. So I'm gonna break it, because this is my phone. All right. We'll open this up and have a look. Okay. What do we got here? OnePlus. Let's see, what's in here? Probably like your documentation and stuff like that. We'll have a quick look. Is there anything else in here? Nope, that's it. Welcome guide, and then quick start guide, safety info, and then we got some, OnePlus decals here. And then as you can see, here's the phone. Oh, look at this. BNIB, brand new in box. We'll put that to the side. And what else do we get in here? You have your, what do they call this now? It's not warp charge, right? It's, what is it called? What charge is this? Let me know in the comments, I forgot. I know it's not warp charge anymore. It's something else, but it's 65 watts. Not as fast as, I think in China they have like, what is it, like 80 watts or something like that? Let me know in the comments. You get your C2C cable here. And then you got this tool right here for transferring stuff from your other phone. So that's cool. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do like a quick video on the charging, how long it takes. They said what, like 30 minutes, 35 minutes, something like that. Anyway, here's the phone. Fingerprint scanner right there. So you can see. We'll go ahead and, let's see, we'll do it this way then. Can I pull it out? Yeah, I'll just pull it out. We'll do it like this. Woo! And here's the phone. Oh. Now, does it have a screen protector? It does. It does have a pre-installed plastic screen protector. Got your hole punch right there for the front-facing camera. We'll flip it over in the back, and you have this camera array, very similar to the S21. And of course, we got to take this decal off. We don't need this. I'll go ahead and, let me see, I'm just going to grab this and just put it there for now. And here's the phone. Now, I did get the black version. So you can see, it looks pretty good. Has kind of like almost like a wrinkle finish to it. That looks pretty nice, actually. A wrinkle matte finish. Camera array again. Got your 3 cameras there. Now, I forget the zooms. I think one is like a 3.3x zoom, something like that. Go ahead and fire this up. OnePlus 10 Pro 5G. Let's see, let's get in here. That's your speaker grill up top. On the bottom, you have your SIM tray right here. USB Type-C input, your speaker on this side of the phone. You have your power, and this is your mute switch. On top, you have a mic, and this part is flat, as you can see. And then here we have your volume rocker. The screen is curved here a little bit. Same thing on the back side. Got the OnePlus branding right there. And yeah, I do dig this finish. This looks pretty good. Like a matte wrinkle finish. We'll go ahead and just, I guess I have to agree to this, right? Agree? I mean, do I have a choice? We're gonna skip this. I don't have a SIM card. We'll just connect to the Wi-Fi. Enter my password. So let's see real quick the specs. This one has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip. This one is a 128 gigabyte model. And what's the RAM on this? Is it 12 gigs? I don't know. I forget. Look it up, or I'll find out later. Let's see what's going on here. Connect to mobile network. I wanted to skip that, right? Here we go. That was weird. Had to go backwards. One step to go forward. Copy apps and data. We're not going to do that right now. I want to start fresh. Checking info. Here we go with the Google sign in. I'm going to skip that too. I just want to get directly into the phone. I'll skip all the sign in stuff. I'll do that later. I just want to get into the UI. You know, real quick, maybe take some sample pictures. TikTok, look at this. I'm gonna not click that, maybe install that later. Co-creation labs, what is that? Skip. Skip. Unlocking mode. Oh, here we go, fingerprint unlock. Of course, we'll test the fingerprint. Let's see, we'll do the pattern. We'll go ahead and do one of these. Okay, place your finger on the sensor. We'll do this right now. And then let's go. Nice and quick. Not bad. Very responsive. Here we go. Click next on that. OnePlus Sans or Roboto. We're gonna go to OnePlus. This is a OnePlus phone, so we'll go with the OnePlus. Navigation gestures or the old school back home and recents. We'll go navigation gestures. It is 2022, so gotta get with the times. Go ahead and press start and check this out. Pretty cool wallpaper right there. A little bit of an animation so you can see. And we are in. So we'll go ahead and go to system settings right here. And then let's see, how do you get to, is it this one? Let's see. I don't know about device. Oh, here we go, right. The storage, this is a 128 gigabyte model. So you can see it uses about 23 gigs out of the box, out of the 128. So you got 18% used. So do the math. You got 80% available to you. And then let's go ahead and go to the Android version. It does come stock with Android 12 with the, as of this video, February security update. Maybe it has an update soon. We'll see in a little bit. Okay, so this is the OnePlus 10 Pro. Go ahead and fire up the camera. And what is this? I guess I have to agree to continue. Cancel that out. And here we go. We'll take pictures right now. Take a picture of, let's see what I got. I got this. I got the OnePlus here. And go ahead and change the orientation. OnePlus 9 from last year. Take a picture of that. Take a picture of the case. Put that in the video. Here's a picture of my Note 20 Ultra. Take a picture of that. Let's take some more pictures. Let's go. Alright, here's just a quick little video from the OnePlus 10 Pro. This is in 4K. So I'm just out here. There's a bird chirping behind me. So there you go. Let me know how that sounds in the background. Sounds pretty cool. Sounds peaceful. Anyway, I'm just out here. Now let me know how the camera's handling this. It's sunny over here, right? But then over here, it's kind of, you know, in the shade. So you can see. So let me know how the camera's handling that difference in the exposure. I'm gonna do the half and half here. So let me know how that looks. All right. So I'm just gonna pan over here. Not much to see. Yeah, don't mind these weeds growing here. Gotta pull that out. I know. But yeah, just a video sample here of from the OnePlus 10 Pro American version. I'm gonna go up here to the sky. So let me know how it's handling the dynamic range. Looks pretty good on the phone screen. But let me know how it looks on YouTube. Now I'm gonna go up to the sun. Let me know how that looks. Ooh, that's super bright. Not recommended to do that, but for testing purposes. Alright. Let me know how this looks. Peace out. Alright, so let me know in the comments what you thought about the pictures and video from the OnePlus 10 Pro. Now let's go ahead and check out this case. Now I do love these cases from OnePlus. these like carbon fiber or Kevlar cases that you know that they come out with for every phone that they make. I think, do they make it for every phone? I'm not sure actually. Take that back. But I do like these cases. You can see I have the one from last year. And here it is for the 10 Pro. Let's have a quick look. Just a thin case. Cut out right there for the camera array. And on the inside, that says OnePlus and Evutech. Not sure how you say that. But there it is. Check that out. Ooh, very nice. I like it. We'll go ahead and put the phone in. And we'll have a look. Boom. Nice and clean from the front. Case blends right in with the black display of the phone. Very nice. And you flip it over in the back and it's going to look like this. And I have to say, this looks very nice. Love the Kevlar look. We'll check out the cutout for the camera. Perfect. Cutout there for your volume or the mute switch. Love it. We'll check out the clickability and the power button. Nice and clicky. And then here's the volume. I'm gonna click that up and down. It's pretty nice, man. Pretty nice. Feels good in the hand. This finish right here, like a matte finish, gives it a nice grip. Pretty cool. Very grippy case. And here it is in comparison to the OnePlus 9 from last year. Have a look. Yeah, I just love these cases from OnePlus. Nice and sleek. Made out of carbon fiber or Kevlar. Anything CF, I want it. Here we go. So let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with the OnePlus 10 Pro. Speed tests, durability tests, camera tests, etc. versus iPhone 13 Pro Max, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, last year's OnePlus 9, etc. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.